Hi guys, welcome back to Comfy Science Tutorial, your smart science hub. Today we are diving into a human circulatory system, one of the most tested topic in WAEC, NECO and JAMB biology. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Now, what is circulatory system? The circulatory system is the transport system of the body. We call it the transport system. When you hear about transport system in the body, it is the circulatory system. Then it moves blood, oxygen, nutrients, and waste products around the body. That is why it is called a transport system. It transports the blood, the oxygen, nutrients, and waste product around the body. Now, the main parts of the circulatory system, there are parts that play this very role of transport. The parts that we have about 3 parts. The first one is the heart. The second one is the blood vessels, and the third one is the blood itself. Now, what is human heart? The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It has 4 chambers. There are 4 chambers of the heart. The first one, we have the right ventricle and the left ventricle. Now we have the left ventricle and the right ventricle. They are the 4 chambers of the heart. Now we talk about what does this right and left ventricle and ventricle, what role do they play? Now the right side being the ventricle and ventricle receive deoxygenated blood from the body. That is their role. Blood that is full, that is richly with what? Oxygen. Then why the left ventricle and ventricle, we call them those particular side, they pump oxygenated blood to the heart. Now the blood vessel. Now what is blood vessel? We have 3 main types of blood vessels, which are the arteries, the veins, and the capillaries. And each of these blood vessels has their role to play. Now the artery carries away from the human blood the oxygen. What artery carries blood away from the human heart? That is the work of artery. While the vein carries blood to the heart. What that takes blood away from the heart is the artery. Then the veins carry blood to the heart. Then the capillaries. The work of capillaries is a tiny vessels that's also a chain. It is where there is exchange of gases and nutrients happen. It is where exchange of gases and nutrients happens. Now, examples, we have the aorta. The aorta is the largest artery, while the vena cava is the largest vein. Now, the blood. What is the blood? We know blood as a liquid which carries oxygen, nutrients, and waste components of the blood. That is what the blood is. Now, we have components of the blood. What are the components of the blood? We have the red blood cell, which carries oxygen. We have the white blood cells, which fight diseases. We call them defenders. Then the platelets. The platelets helps in blood clotting. It helps in the clotting of blood. While the plasma is the yellow liquid that carries everything. It carries every other materials right there in the blood. Just know this, the blood, as you all know, helps in the transport, defense, at the same time temperature regulation. Now, types of circulation. We have 2 major types of circulation. The first one we call it the pulmonary circulation. The pulmonary circulation. That is, this particular circulation occurs between the heart and the lungs, from the heart to lungs. While the systemic circulation is also a circulation between the heart and the body. So these are the 2 major circulatory systems. The blood goes from the heart to the lungs to the heart to the body, and back to the heart. This is how the circulation of blood, or the transport system per se, holes in the body system. That's all for today's video. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, comments, and don't forget to leave your question in comment section, your topic for the next video. Thank you.